So, you've got this amazing idea, right? Or a mission you are so passionate about. But the second you think about hitting record and putting your face on camera, you just freeze up. Well, I'm here to tell you, you are absolutely not alone. Some of the most brilliant entrepreneurs and leaders out there feel that exact same way.
Just take a look at this quote from video coach Edie Clark. This says it all. Here's a professional, someone whose entire world is video. And even she admits to suffering from videophobia. It's just such a powerful reminder that this fear isn't about skill or expertise. It's just, well, it's human.
And I bet these fears look pretty familiar, don't they? That fear of what people will think, of totally blanking on what to say, not loving how you look on screen, or feeling that crushing pressure to make it perfect. And of course, that little voice in your head that says, who am I to talk about this? These are the real roadblocks, you know? They're what's stopping so many important messages from getting out there.
But what if I told you that you could get all the power of video without ever having to step in front of the camera? That's exactly what we're going to lay out today. We'll look at the roadblock, introduce you to the solution, Faceless videos, then I'll give you a super simple 2-tool starter kit, walk you through 4 easy steps to create your first one, and then we'll talk about what comes next. Okay, so let's get real for a second. Avoiding video isn't just a small choice. I mean, in the world we live in now, it's pretty much the fastest way for your audience to get to know you, like you, and trust you. So when we let that video phobia win, we're really missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with people.
But here is the really good news. You don't have to choose between being terrified on camera or just not doing video at all. Nope, there's a powerful middle ground, and that solution is what we're calling the faceless video. So, what exactly is a faceless video? It's pretty simple, actually. It's any content that uses your voice, some music, and visuals, think stock footage, screen recordings, or even slides just like this to get your point across, all without showing your face. The real beauty here is that it shifts all the focus away from you and onto the value you're delivering. It's the perfect way to start building that all-important habit of creating consistently.
All right, let's get practical. You really don't need a fancy studio or a bunch of complicated software to do this. Video coach Edie Clark actually lays out a super simple 2-tool starter kit, and this kit handles the whole shebang, from figuring out what on earth to talk about to having a finished video that's ready to go.
This little 2-tool workflow is a game changer because it solves the 2 biggest problems right away. First, you've got Answer Socrates. This thing tackles the "what do I even say" problem by showing you the actual questions your audience is typing into Google. Then, you've got the AI video creator Capwing, which solves the "how do I make it" problem. It literally turns a simple text prompt into a fully edited video for you.
So now we've got our what and we've got our how. Let's actually walk through the 4 steps to put it all together. You can seriously go from a blank page to a finished video in just a matter of minutes.
Okay, here's the process. It's just 4 simple steps. 1, you find your topic in Answer Socrates. Just grab a real question someone is asking. 2, you copy that question and paste it into Kapwing to generate your script. Now, just a quick tip, always remember to add your own call to action at the end. 3, you pick your style, format, subtitles, voice, all that good stuff. And 4, you click Generate. That's it. Kapwing does all the heavy lifting for you. It's so streamlined.
And listen, don't try to make some Hollywood blockbuster on your first go. The key is to start small. Just aim for 30 seconds. Seriously, the goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to just break through that roadblock and get the ball rolling. The most important thing is to just create something. But, it's also really important to see this method for what it is. It is a fantastic starting line, an amazing one, but it's not necessarily the final destination. For real long-term growth, especially if you're trying to build trust, there's a bigger picture to think about. Which, of course, brings us to the big question. Are faceless videos really enough? Can you build an entire brand or a movement without ever showing your face? And I think Edie Clark just nails the long-term strategy here. She says faceless videos are a great start to get you into the habit. Her point is that for businesses that really rely on trust, eventually showing your face, even for a few seconds, is pretty key. You don't have to do the whole video. You could just, pop in at the very beginning to say hi. It's all about slowly building up that personal connection. So, let's just quickly recap the playbook. Number 1, video phobia is super common, but it does not have to be a dead end. Number 2, faceless videos are your perfect low-pressure way to get started. 3. You can literally start today with just 2 simple tools. And maybe the most important takeaway of all, focus on progress, not perfection. Just build that consistency.
Look, the tools are right there, the strategy is crystal clear, and that biggest roadblock, the camera, has been taken out of the equation. Your message is way too important to keep hidden away. Your audience is out there waiting. So, what are you going to create first?